Hey guys, what's up? My name's Alicia if you're new here, and in today's video I wanted to review a Sephora Favorites. Now I did pick up, this is the Sparkly Clean. There are a bunch of different options on their website, but I picked this up. I picked it up for me and for my daughter for Christmas, so I wanted to give you guys a little peek as to what comes in this collection. These are always such a good deal, whether you're getting these as a gift for yourself or for someone else. And after Christmas, a lot of the times these sets will go on sale. So I would say, keep a look at the Sephora sale section to see if any of these make their way in there. But this one in particular retails for $42, and it says that there is a $118 value in here. You are getting two different full sizes. So the full sizes that you are getting in this set is the Rose Ink. This is the cheek and lip tint. And then you are also getting an Ilia Balmy Gloss. And then everything else in this set is a deluxe sample size. However, some of these you can actually buy this sample size as well, like this Biossance. This is a Squalene Omega Repair Cream. This is half an ounce, and you can actually purchase that for $18. The Ilia Gloss is $26. The blush is $30, so that right there is already well over the $42 price tag. So let's go ahead and get a little bit more in depth into this collection. Right, so as I mentioned, you are getting a $30 cream blush from Rose Ink. You are getting a Balmy Gloss from Ilia that retails for $26. A Squalene Omega Repair Cream, just a moisturizer essentially, from Biossance that retails for $18. And then you are getting a trial size of the Say mascara, the Caudalie Vino Perfect serum, and then the Milk Makeup Poreless primer. Even in these sample sizes, like this Caudalie, the value of this little sample size is around 20 something dollars. This would be about 10, and then this is barely anything, but I mean, the value is definitely there. Now I'm going to go ahead and insert some clips of me using these products, and then I'll give you a little bit more details about each one as we go along. Alright guys, so starting off with a clean face, the first product I'm going to go into is the Caudalie. This is the Vino Perfect. This is a Radiance Serum, and it is in a 0.3 fluid ounce size. Now this normally comes in 1 ounce, and it is $82. It's supposed to help dark spots, dullness, and uneven texture, and it's described as being a lightweight serum that you can use morning or night. I do agree this is a very lightweight serum. When I put this on, at first it really sank into my skin, so I felt like I needed to apply a little bit more, as you can see me doing here. But once I had the 2 layers on, once I felt like my skin was nice and saturated with this serum, it really did feel like it kind of held the moisture in, and my skin did feel really nice and hydrated. And as you can tell, there definitely is a radiance from that serum. Next up is from Biossance. This is the Squalene Omega Repair Cream. Essentially, this is a face cream that deeply moisturizes the skin. This is in a half ounce size, which you actually can purchase from Sephora for $18. The full size is 1.69 ounces, and that retails for $60. This has got hyaluronic acid in it. It is fragrance free. It's for dry combo skin, and it treats fine lines, wrinkles, dryness, and loss of firmness. Now you can see me just adding 2 layers of this really to my cheeks and my forehead, and I also put this down my neck. Very thick, rich cream. Next up is from Milk Makeup. This is the Pore Eclipse Mattifying Primer. This is probably the least value in the whole entire kit. A full size of this is 0.68 ounces for $18. This is mainly to fill in your pores, and it's good for oily skin. It has a soft matte finish, and it is a water cream makeup primer. It actually feels really nice. It doesn't feel like silicone at all. Had a light citrus scent. Really nice. Next up, I'm going into the kit and pulling out that Say mascara. Love the design of that with the lavender writing on it. As you can tell, this has got a thin kind of rubber bristle brush. Not my favorite brush at all by any means. And as I was putting this on, honestly, I was kind of disappointed. There are some clean makeup brands that I absolutely love their mascara, like Ilia, but this one, I just felt like I had to do so much building up to get this to show up. As you can tell, I kept on layering this mascara. I just felt like it wasn't giving me very much length or volume at first. Now, as I mentioned, I did continue to build this up. I really kind of built up 2 like full layers of this mascara, and at that point I was happy with it. But yeah, out of everything in this kit, I was not impressed with this. Moving on to some of the color products in this kit, the first thing I'm going to pull out is from Rose Ink. This is one of the full-size products in this kit. This is the lip and cheek color in the shade Heliotrope, which is described as being an apricot. There are a few different shades of this blush. They retail for $30. You can buy the replacement pans afterwards for a little bit cheaper of a price. I think those are normally $24 to $26, but this is a cream blush described as having a radiant finish. And what is so unique about this blush is that it also has skincare in it. So it has squalene, it has vitamin E, and it also has ceramides. And I love this blush so much. I feel like it's pigmented, but it also just blends into the skin so seamlessly. I feel like this is such an easy cream formula to work with across the board. Their bronzers, their highlighters, as well as their blushes. I just have been really impressed. So that actually was the reason I bought this kit, because I wanted that blush in here mainly. All right, and then before I go in with that lip product in this kit, I did want to go ahead and line my lips. I haven't featured this one, I don't think, on my channel, but this is the Clueless and Makeup Revolution collaboration, and this is the Thai lip liner. So I am just lining my lips with that really quickly, and then I'm going to go ahead and go into that kit and get out the Balmy Gloss from Ilia. Again, this is another full-size product. This one retails for $26. There are 6 different colors, and this is a Balmy Gloss tinted lip oil. This comes in neutral nudie pinks, and this shade Only You is described as being a neutral nude. It is a great everyday color. This has hyaluronic acid in it. It is plumping, but there's no tingling. It is such a nice formula. Alright guys, so that is this set. I think that my favorite products in here are the 2 that are full size, which is perfect. That is ideal. That is what I would want. So I actually love this blush. Of course, that is what I have on. And then this gloss, it feels like your lips are like filled in, plumped up, nice and plush. Just, it's all the things that you want and none of the things that you don't want. There's no scent to it. It's not sticky at all. It lasts pretty well. I mean, it does wear off, obviously. It's a gloss, but it does hang around for a pretty long time. And yeah, I was really impressed with this kit. I think I will get use out of everything in here. The thing that I like the least is this mascara. And 2 coats of it, it does, you know, build up nicely, but it's not my favorite wand. But there is that kit. Like I said, keep a lookout for it on Sephora's sale section. Otherwise, I mean, even at $42, it is such a good deal if you happen to get any Sephora gift cards or anything like that for Christmas. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next one.